bat ngi pedang sopai pi baro syak tu kubor menta ke janmit shwaban pa syaki kubor ki babnya ngi pe chwa ye ki mat pakongsan Rakhe Karaj Pawan ye ka National Unity Day ye ro ulat ke jila UCH Wijaya Shankar ye ki kam jo sadar balabal ye Lek bom sut nyu MLA ka rong cheng ya ka jing le ka Congress ban khili biang ya ka seng ong ba ka election GHADC ka shong ha ka kam batre om ha ka jingwan phai sha ka kam san hima sima Misal Turki kena pulih ni hu hadin ke jing syak tenra ka kali ke bala pinhir stat la cameo security card hadin ke jing sham ya ka dor na ka CCTV Legit yak United Kingdom gungkari ke banyatrei naga benta ke Hornbill Festival Araja Afsan. Bajam ke India da ke jing scam syakarai kapar wat hapreng ke jing bom long tikna kiri ke Purthai ong menteri rang badu keri Narendra Modi. Mentangi nyepet iki kubor ke bapnia na ke jela. Karaj Pawan hne kesngi kelarake ya ke Rashtriya Ekta Divas kapala longkum ke jingkan mau buram ya Sardar Vallabhai Patel ulat ke jela UCH Wijaya Shankar ulayaro ya ke jenis benta jong ke pulet ke jela ki sipai BSF ki CRPF ki nonghikai bat ki kinna school bat ki kdo ya ke benta bakongsan jong kumbala nami u Iron Man of India Ulat ulapan kan mau ya ke jingale upatel ban penyateli ya ki princely state bat ya ke jingtau ya ki all India service da ke bakhat ya ki steel frame jongkari ulayaro ru ya ke jingsuk ki culture ha ke jela bat ong ba ya ke unity day la rakhe habaro ke wei keri kum ke jingkershan ya ke jing angnuat jong menteri rang badu keri Narendra Modi ya ke Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat
The all India services, including IAS, IPS, IFS, to serve as instruments of a national cohesion and administrative excellence. They believe that these services would provide continuity, stability, and uniformity in governance across the country. Under the inspiring leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is being celebrated across the nation to reaffirm our commitment to Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Our state of Meghalaya is known for its rich culture, diversity, and spirit of unity. Is deeply embedded in our traditions. The people of Meghalaya have always upheld the very ideals of Sardar Patel.
MLA karong jeng ujim sangma ule bom sutnyo ya kejingle jongka Congress ban pinki imbiang ya keseng hari lum karo ha kejingnya tabot ke bansalong haji HADC da ke baong bakan omdon jingta ru ya keseng jong Ula benra bawat laki he mengyalam kilawan pai biang syakaseng bat wat hapadeng ki jingtrei bapat ba jeng UMP ke Lok Sabha kani kan omla ban kintir ya kaseng ha ke election jong ke district council. Ujem sangma ula ong bagi nong tep vote kin rai kat kum karukom treikam bat ke jingsan ya jongki da ke babancur ba kaseng jeng ke next camp hala ke jong ke jingklan.
Also, recently he joined in Congress, but what do I say? I don't have idea regarding, but in East Hills, I can say regarding the East Hills, it will not affect in East Hills. Of course, will not be effect in even in Hills also. Of course, so last MP election, they have done very much well. It's because of maybe some matters. You see, looking back to the history of MP in Gary Hills. RPS Samas parties also have gone for many decades, 3 decades I think, 3 decades. So people may want to elect new in place of sitting MP, Madam Agatha that time. So that will be very much different. Every election is very much different. So it will affect to this election also.
Arngut ki kena pulih jong kene hu gila mensau jur hinden ke janmin hadin baka kali maruti ke bela pinhir stat kala letin ra ya ki hajan ke kerdap ke baar. Ya kapalanya adu security ka jong kete ke jaka pulih ringkat ke jing keno bahlo dana padang ke jing bu ajan. Kat kum ke jing pet na ke CCTV ke pen i baka ni ke kali kala letin ra shwa ya ke skuti ke bayang ke jaka penyeng haswa bakan tenra ya ki. Kipulet kemau ke ro outpost kila kurup ya kali bat kamru ya unongnya up parmen em sangma kini ki kena pule ki bala mensaujur kila Syak Sumar Nasrat Hospital bat ka cinto ket kadang ya chakmat
Kidang sistem jor tay Stephanie la sistem ta jeng klei rendang terkena dan ke pang ke jeng usau ke bejore kidang dan na SU bat doktor bidang ba kinhap pegba tas ba sisi kin bicara dia kalau isu dua bat kerman ba jam
hagaba mudeng nang mudur ka khana ka menang ka pestat ka khana ka ba la non ra ka buram ko ingkasem inang ka inang mud bakan kiu syak mat ndai penban mudda ka jingjia ka ba kumne pada ka bu ka jing aka perkhat perdany aka ingkasem bat kham tam ro ngi perkhat ya kala we jungka hatu kala we jungka kan long ka kumno ini dap lagi sosi ka bakrawe ipoyo hospital ngi yo ya ka jingkit kia na kaliang ki nong tre ki staff jong kan hu na kaliang ki ko ki student jong kan hu ro jingkit kia ki salang bat mi simit ki don lang ni bani ro sismi ndai na kaliang kum ka ingka sem he nimla shu bar mudur ba ka jingpang belong hi haka accident kan long hadu ketut te long kai ke ka bang nimla
Kajilan khalia ni kesngi kala rakhe ya kajingdap sansnem kan nasham muk Bharat Abhiyan Haraj Bhawan Shillong haka program bala penlong dak Raj Bhawan bat katnat social welfare ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar ubala shim benta haka te kesngi kum ukong san ula penpau ya kajingkit khia jong kejela ban wanra ya ke imlang sa lang ka balat na kajingpran kam ya udrok kani ka program ka bala penong kat kum ga jingyo jing betha na katanat kampo yin kapin i ki mau jam jong kani ka campaign pat ka jing ai buram ya ki briu pat ki kunhun ki patre shitam bajale persha ya ka jing sapriang ki drong ringkat ka jing kenturu ya ka jing trailang jong ki pat ba ban penlong ya kari ka balait na ki jing di pen buat.
What are the repercussions of HIV? Why you suffer out of cancer? Why you suffer out of TB? And rest of the other diseases, whatever I have mentioned here. These are the 5 social evils, big challenges. Those challenges are there in front of we people. You have to overcome. We have to overcome. So mass campaign is necessary. School level, college level, church level, community leaders level. In this campaign we have to start, mass campaign, mass awareness. If at all you are going to remind me, in any of the days when you are going to conduct this kind of programs, I am also ready to come and participate in such programs. Mass campaign, mass awareness campaign. To save our own children. It is very, very important.
Ka Public Accounts Committee jong ke ying dorbar Meghalaya Hindin kasngi kalalek banjurep ya South Liki Hospital ki bapau ha Shillong, kata ka Civil Hospital, ka Deshdas, Nikrems, bat ka Supercare ban kami benia halor ka jing pentrekam ya ka Mega Health Insurance Scheme lani MEGHALAYA. Ka chairperson jangka komiti kamiani di Shira, kalalam ya ka kinhun ban toket ya ka jing syam jangkin nong yo jing mentoy, bat ka jing na ka jing pentrekam ha kaleng ki jaka. Ka komiti kala syam ya bun ki mat ki bakta ya ka jing a jing syakri bat kan sa IT ya ki jing a jing mut ban pen bahaya kan ka jing a jing syakri bat ban pentikna bag MEGHALAYA kan beteng ban long ka pa mentoy bat ka basuk ban a jing yarap na ka benta ki pat ba.
The idea of the site visit today was to get detailed information about the challenges and the problems being faced within the hospitals while implementing this scheme. Now, on paper, it looks picture perfect, but when you go on the ground, there are a lot of challenges that the hospitals and the managements are facing. Our aim is to give smooth services for the people of Meghalaya, for the patient parties, so that they can claim the insurance with little to minimal hassles involved.
Ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar hinin kasngi ulapli perdaya ke CAU Regional Agri Fair arajar arpasan arajar arpan rio ha College of Agriculture kerdam kulai ribhoi hapo kapang Reaching the Last Mile with Agri Revolution. Hakani ka program lawan bani shimbenta do menteri katanat karep karyang UTD Shira UMP Kamakya Prasad Tasa bat kiwe ki he officer. Haba ajin kran hakatai kasngi ulat ulabancur baka jingkiu jongkari kasyong hakabha kamiat jongki nongrep bat ulay ro ya ka jingno senjang jongka CAU syaka jingwat penia hakabaya day pat karep karyang. Kadi ka fair kadan nyop South Li kidukan di ban pen inam ya ki jingthong bat kala kring ya kembak handrius pak ngot ki nongrep. La peliru ya ki kamera thimai la pelat ya ki kot bat la samru ya ki kusnam hakani ke program.
We know that India is a land of agriculture. 70% of the overall population are living in rural area. Therefore, they are depending on the agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation and source of income for them. In the given situation, we have to analyze the percentage and portion of the agriculture and cottage industry. No cottage industry we are able to see in the most of our villages now.
Ka Voice of the People Party kalakin tu ya menteri rangba kejela ukonrat ke sangma banbu ya ke kinhun toket hakabayade pat kajing pentrai kam ya ke skim MLA hakeleng ki benta jong kejela Meghalaya nadu usnem arajar pra ter. Hakashithi balapha Shaukonrat President ka VPP u Arden Miller Basayamot ulayathu baga jingkerpat kalalong hadin kajing sngokhya padang shen balapan pau do menteri rangba kajela halor gijing bombyang kiru kompenya yaki skim kamtam haki constituency ba job kalyang persha ulaong ba ka seng ka kershan na kabenta ka jingkhut bat patha yaki MLA jong ka seng bandan ka jingkit kli pura haba pendan kam ya ka pisa bat a jingmut ban toket ya kani ka kam ka ban sedang shwa na nongkrem bat ter shakiwe pat kishnong.
You see, I think that will be best responded by the Chief Minister himself. You know, but we as a party who believes, in transparency, accountability, and clean governance. We are here today to drop this letter where we have written to the Chief Minister, asking him to immediately constitute an independent inquiry to investigate into the implementations of M&A schemes. And we have even suggested the Chief Minister that he can initiate this investigation from 2008, starting from Nongkrem constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies.
Knang ban pen klan chu chu ya ka jing sngan ha silanter ka surok national highway pat ban khang lat ya ka jing pen khen ye ki anya kali USP ka ri boy UVS rotor ringkat bat ki he officer kila penlong ya ka jing talasi ka bacur ha ka snong ngen hakini ki jing talasi ka kinhun kala sham ya bun ki jing pen khen an ka jing nya bu an ka jing bom pen dan kam ye ki seatbelt pat ka jing ya jgi kali he ha ki len bom day ki pulet kila dan kuna ban penlong ya ki jing ya lang pin priang jing tep nak banta ki nong let nong wan ha kawai na kini ki jing talasi kawai ka kali ka badan ya registration number AS arpusan C sausan arsan ka bapenda ya silencer be an kala pet krat na katei na kani ka jaka hadin ka jing lap ya ki kot kisla ki bala kut por hinre ya ka baki pulet ki layo bat bat ya number kali Kadata Yok Society Shillong haringkat ka jingit reilang bat ka CMYDS mentakas ngi kalapen long ya ka digital literacy workshop ha FGEM Higher Secondary School Nongspong West Khasi Hills. Lawan bani shimenta de ki kina pule jangka class 12 ha ka ba ki nong ai jingkren ki la kadau halor ka jingkir ni phone ka jingkren to met deng ba ka cyber ki kam talk online bat ban pinduna ya ka jingpendon kam ya ki ko digital. Kadata Yok Educational Head ka Adrita Bhata Charti kalau ong bakani commission kalong bantau ya ka saudong saukun ka basngan ha ka bayade bat ka jingpendon kam ye ki ko digital ha ka leng ka MEGHALAYA ha ka chukopor Kadata Yok Society kala depru ban pin ko por ya pra hajar ngot ki kina pule hakum kini ki chu ki workshop ringkat ka jingtmu ban a jing hikai sha ki weru ki kina
So we were talking about cell phone addiction, cyberbullying, because a lot of these students in the rural areas are targeted about cyberbullying, and there is not much exposure to the mental health awareness and everything here. So what I was thinking, or our organization was thinking, is that if we could just empower them on cyberbullying, so that they know what are the various cyberbullying and how to identify patterns if they are ever being cyberbullied through their cell phones, and also the various patterns of scams, because these are 11 and 12 students. Data X Society lives for just one mission, which is to look for a safer digital environment in and across Meghalaya. And we are an organization that has actively been working in and around Shillong for the last 2 years. We have empowered over 8,000 students, spread awareness, and we are looking forward to covering more students so that we are able to reach a much more specific target audience. We are in collaboration today with the CMYDS, Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme, and we're looking forward to having much more support from the government so we can, proceed ahead with this vision.
Mintang inya pet yagi kubor na katan syate lam mingi. Kenakalan kaladap ban pinbana ya ka United Kingdom kumkari kabanya train na kabenta ka Hornbill Festival arajar arpasan da ka jinga soy sos kular padeng menteri rangba ka jela unepiu rio bat ka British Council hanong ba Delhi. Ka UK kan penyat ya ke cultural program bat kan wanra ya ki artis nagari jongka syakani kata masa. Haga jingele ban kintiu ya ki kam jungok kai perthai ka Air India Express kala syakjit kum ka official travel partner ka ban sedang ru ya ka lingsun ka Boeing nyo lahin nyo pra bat ka uniform riam zungko tepsu ringkat ka dor ka balak henduna khasan persen haka banlet banwan syanakalan nadu ka arpau terik unai wing unai piu rio ulap tiang ya kane ka jinga trailang bat ong bakane kan kintiu ya ki kam jungok kai perthai ka jinga bujli ya ka kolshor bat kayo kakot Mintanginya pet ya ki kubor ha kari. Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi mentakasngi uloong bagi India katrang banlong kari kabaroi bapar bat kabayang halagi jongki kecan. Uloong ya kani hagajeng ajing kren jong hagajeng ajing kren hakaram nat kuyan ka lecture kebahen Rio ha New Delhi da kepapen pau ba kiri hakapertai kidang don padeng kajeng hinrai ke India kelanang yaikiu. Umudi ula benrap ba kapertai menta ka yoi ya kajeng kiu karoi kapar ke India kum ka model of home. What happened kajeng ke babon kapertai kata katama hapdeng ke Russia bat Ukraine ha usnem arajar arpuar bat kajeng yakin at West Asia henrei karoi kapar jong ke India kas kembha kabane dahinyo na kasispa menta usnem.
साथियों, आपने देखा है कि बीते 4-5 साल कैसे पूरी दुनिया के लिए चुनौतियों से भरे रहे हैं। 2020 में कोरोना महामारी का संकट आया, पूरे विश्व की अर्थव्यवस्थाएं अनिश्चितताओं से घिर गई, ग्लोबल सप्लाई चेन पर बहुत बड़ा प्रभाव पड़ा और सारा विश्व एक निराशा की ओर जाने लगा। कुछ समय बाद स्थितियां संभलना धीरे धीरे शुरू हो रहा था, तो ऐसे में हमारी पड़ोसी देशों में उथल-पुथल शुरू हो गई। इन सारे संकटों के बीच हमारी इकोनॉमी ने हाई ग्रोथ रेट हासिल करके दिखाया।
Ke National Investigation Agency kalakem yu Jasir Bilal Wani Nasrinakar ubaladon ketilang ha kajeng penbetai bom red phone kabalashim ya kajeng jong shipongut bat penmensau ya arpusan ngun. Ke NIA kalayatu ba ubani ula ajing arap akabayadai bat ki kor gibor kum ki drone bat ula tmuru banshna ya ki rocket ha kapor ba uyatre lang bat ule na Umar Nabi. Ke NIA kala penlong ru ya kajeng tokit habun ki jaka ringkat bat ki kinhun ban talasi habun teli ki jela ban lap ya kitu ki bedon ketilang ha kajeng ya subun. Ini pet minta ya ki kubor na keleng kapertai. Ka United Nation kala persya ya kerai penrem penyak persya ya ke Menteri Rang Badu Perim Keri Bangladesh ke Sheikh Hasina kabala Bishar klem ke jingya dan lang jongka ha ke ying Bishar halor ke jing keno bam ken snap ya ke hok long briu. Secretary General ke UN Antonio Guterres lingbal unong aiktien jong la penpau ya ke jing persya jong ke UN halor ke jing penrem penyam. Katanat human rights jong ke UN ru kala pensngau ya kani ke jing Bishar da ka baong ba ke jing Bishar bala penlong da ke International Crimes Tribunal ke Bangladesh ka day banyaha bat ke jing Bishar ka hok kiri ka perthai kamtam ha ka bayade bat kum gini ke jing chia ba ai ke jing penrem penyam.
The handing down of verdicts today by the International Crimes Tribunal against Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and the former Home Minister on charges of crimes against humanity is an important moment for the victims of grave human rights violations committed during the suppression of protests last year. While we were not privy to the conduct of this trial, we have consistently advocated for all accountability proceedings, especially on charges of international crimes, to unquestionably meet international standards of due process and fair trial. This is particularly vital when, as was the case here, the trials have been conducted in absentia and led to a capital punishment sentence. We also regret the imposition of the death penalty, which we oppose in all circumstances.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulaya soya ke Shiti ya menjur bat ke British Museum Banwan Ra Piang ya ke Vrindavani Vastra ke jan lingkot balathan deki Assamese sya Gejala hapo ke jeng airam ke bakat prabanai haus nem arajar arpenyo. Daka pa ong bakalong ka shop jong gajing yo pateng ya gajing reels pa gajing sngau bat ka culture jong ka Assam Menteri Rangba Gejala ula ong bakani ka sinjam kan long ka klip mat ka bansa kin mau na ka benta Gejala ula ai kublai yo Menteri Rangba du kari Narendra Modi ba ula yalam lenti ya kani bat ong bala pinkre ya ka State of the Art Museum hakwati na ka benta ban pin inam ya kani ka jan lingkot ka bala than pin wonder ya shipotli ki dur ublai Krishna bat ya ka ras lila ka bala kheng kum ka rukom than chan ka bakodo tam jong ka Assam
2014 सन से हम लोग एक प्रकार से ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम का जो मैनेजमेंट है उनका साथ संपर्क में रहा था कि कम से कम हमें 1 साल के लिए इसको लोन में दीजिए असम का लोग ये देखना चाहते हैं बहुत दिन का बाद आज वो घड़ी आया है आज हम लोग एक लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट साइन करूंगा with the British Museum. They will give us the textile as loan for 6 months. उनके लिए हम लोग को असम में एक बहुत अच्छा म्यूजियम बनाना पड़ेगा.
Gini pai menta sasaki kubor ya lekai. Hagajingya kunya siat unong ya lekai Olympic ukur Preet Singh ulayo ra ya katak marupa hagajingya kun men's 25 meter center fire pistol ka ISSF Rifle Pistol World Championship kabalalong hasairu. Ukur Preet ulayo ya kekerdan kebaar hadian ke jengram hake ina 10 second persyayo Pavlo Korostilov ka Ukraine. Kani kadai katakma kabaar jang ukur Preet ha ke individual world championship katakma rupa kabaningkong kadai kaba ujob hakasnem arajar khatpra ke India kala pendap ya ke jingyo kun jong kada ka jingyo ya ke kerdan kabalai ringkat ke jingyo kur ya khatlai tali kitakma lai tali kitakma ksiat henrio tali kitakma rupa bat sau tali kitakma rong hadien jong ke China bat Korea ya kejing leka ya lai teli ki ODI bat T20 international hau banai no pra hapdeng ke India bat Bangladesh la ban pin kerya no na kata kejing ken at hagi kam san hima sima Bangladesh hadian ke kubor rai penyap ya ke Menteri Rangba du Parim ke Sheikh Hasina katkum ke Aspen Creek Info la ya thu pa ka BCCI klub pentip sya ka BCB baya ki jing penyelek kai on pin kerya no ya kani kalumpung balatmu ban penlong hakol kata bat hakutak kadai ka benta jong ka ICCFTP bat ka jing kinti we kinong elek kai India sya ka Women's Premier League kani karai kala long hadien bak lapin kerya no ya ki jing elek kai jong ki sinrang sya kasnem arajar arpen riu Timintapan nginyepet ya ke jeng long jeng man jong kesun beneng ha keleng ki benta jong kejela degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpnyo degree Celsius kajing sngem ka hau kalong san pulai na ka shispa habab hai pat chunong ba shlong kajing kriat kalong kandai degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpu ar degree Celsius kajing sngem ka hau kalong san pu ar na ka shispa kat ba hajawai pat kajing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong arpu ar degree Celsius kajing sngem ka hau kalong sapusan na ka shispa kasun beneng kan rang hatura shlong bat jawai Shwaban poy sya kabakot jong katup kubor nginya pet biang sa sisiin ya kimat bakongsan. Rakhe ka Raj Bhawan ya ka National Unity Day ro ulat ka jala UCH Vijaya Shankar ya ki kam jong Usadar Vallabhai Patel. Dek bom sut nyau MLA ke Rongjeng ya ke jingale ke Kongres ban kili biang ya ke seng ong ba ke election THADC ke shanga ke kam batrei om ha ke jingwan pha sha ke kam sang hima sima. Ninsau jur ki kena pulin mehu hadian ke jing syak tenra ke kali ke balapin hirsdan la kem yo security card hadian ke jing syam ya ke dulna ke CCTV. Lajit ya ke United Kingdom gumkari ke banyatrai lang na kebentai ke Hornbill Festival Arajar Abesam. Bajam ke India ada kejing skam syakarai kapar wada pereng kejing bomlong tikena kiri ke pertai ong umintri rang badu keri uniran ram Modi. Tipar loka tu ngila po sya ka bakot jong katup kubor jongi menta ka janmit hadu bangin day syam biang bat pi la syai kasngi kublai pi baro.